So just a real quick update on that sawmill blade that I had welded a while back. It finally just broke today after 2 sharpenings and just relentless use. I don't think I can fix it this time though. So if you look here on the blade, that's where I had welded it last time. But then I've got these fissures, cracks or something that are all down the blade. And it just broke. That thing is still spinning. So if I welded it again, it'll probably just snap in one of those other places that has one of those fissures on it. But hell, I got a lot of use out of it. I'm happy with that.